Here we have a TURNPRO 7" by 12" horizontal vertical bandsaw, 115 volt, 1 horsepower, appears to be slightly used. Overall, it's in very good condition. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. Just flip the switch here. Okay. Here's your manual down feed. That's adjustable. 4-speed belt drive. And then as the head goes down, this tab here hits the switch, shuts the machine off. It's got a little dent in the shroud, motor shroud right here. And mainly we have a tensioning spring right here. This bracket broke off. Okay. This is a replaceable part here. And there's a spring. Okay. You just hook that up to here. That just assists on the lift there. And we thank you for looking at our product.